Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another product review episode for you. I am going to be reviewing this cereal and dry food storage container set by Palm Tree Chef. If you watched my recent video on cinnamon roll twist bread, you'll notice that I highlighted this product in that video, and I wanted to do a standalone video as well, just to go over a few more things about these. Now, first thing I noticed is the box that they came in was really awesome. This would make a great Christmas gift, I think, if you have friends or family members that need to organize their pantry a little bit better. Maybe you could pick one of these up for them. Really cool. They look really nice, and they look really good in the pantry, and they take up a lot less space, especially if your family is used to buying bulk like cereal. Like my Cheerios here, I bought a huge bag of Cheerios, and instead of just throwing that big bag on the shelf, you could fill one of these up, and then whatever's left in the bag, you can tuck it away somewhere else and just leave that on your shelf. Really neat. And some of the things that I have here is I have Cheerios in one of them, I have oats in one of them, I have bread flour in another, rice in another. Yeah, just a lot of cool things that you can store inside of these containers. A couple of things I want to point out as well is these containers are FDA approved, made with a high quality, non-toxic, BPA free plastic. They are microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. Pretty neat. Also, some other things that I want to point out is if you'll notice here, closer look here, you can see that there's different measurements on these. So you could use it as a cool measuring tool if you want. If you need something bigger, if you want to measure out like 2 or 3 liters, you could use something like this to measure that out with. If we look at the lid here, the lid is really cool. It comes off like this, these little flaps. You take it off. There's a cool little freshness ring on there, so it gets a nice tight seal when you put it back on. Also, we got this little lid that it could flip up, and then you could use it to pour out of there if you want. That is really cool. Also, what I want to show you as well is it has a cool handle, so it makes it really easy to grip, which I really like. Another neat feature that I want to point out is it comes with these chalkboard stickers and erasable marker. So if you write down, let's say on this one I have bread flour, and later I just use, let's say, all-purpose flour, what I can do is I can come in here and erase it with just a damp little paper towel, and then let it dry real quick, and then I can write down something else on it. So really neat. So there you have it. A little look at this cereal and container set by Palm Tree Chef. Really awesome containers. I'm really glad that I have them, and I definitely recommend it to you if you need some, if you want to save some space in your pantry, or if you want to just add a little bit of aesthetics and add a little bit of order to your storage, or if you just like collecting storage containers like I do, pick these up. Maybe you want to give them as a gift to a family member or friends or whatnot. It would make a great gift for Christmas or something. Also, down below I'll put a link where you can pick these up. There's also a 15% discount available that I'll put down there as well. This also is an affiliate link, so I will get a small percentage of the sale, but it won't cost you any extra to go that route. Thank you so much for watching. I am Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.